What's up guys, Shane here with Fugatech 3D Printing, and today we're going to get our lights, get them on the ceiling. Let's do it. Okay, so you guys know my space here is super duper tight, like it's crazy. I have a 10 by 12 foot space, that's my studio. And I had my lights on these light stands that were here, and I had another one right here in the doorway, and that's what I had to do. And then my tripod goes right here in the middle. So like all of my space is taken up when I'm recording. Like it's really hard to like get around, and I can't even leave things, you know, up overnight sometimes, even because when I come back in the morning I want to get things done and I've got to walk over light stands and I've got tripods in the way, and it's just super annoying. So we're finally going to change all that with a few little accessories. So first thing I have is this, and this is a wall or ceiling mount light stand. I think this will work out well, and I just had everything measured up, and I just have my markings there, and I've got markings over here, so when a baby wakes up, wife's gonna help me with the vacuum. I'm gonna drill these out, and I'm gonna mount these up there. And then they just have these posts. Where the post go? Oh, the post is in the light stand, I guess. There's just the post right there. They're 1/4-20 or 3/8 threaded on each side. So however you need, I mean, these are just like regular old light stands that you would buy off the floor, but they're just really small. And they're this small, but they also extend out. Let's see if I can get this here. They extend out to be about 2 feet. So they go about 1 foot to 2 foot is the range on them. So I think they'll work out pretty well. So now we're gonna get drilling and get these up. Look at that, look at that. They are up out of the way, and I can stand here and they don't even touch my head. It's hot, 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 hot. But these will make so much more space on my floor now that I now need to clean up like crazy. So now I need to mount right here another one of those similar, but it's a Manfrotto arm, and that is gonna be for my camera. That way I can just kind of pull it down right to here. Check it out. So the camera is now mounted on the wall. I had to do it, it's a little, not quite the way I was hoping it was gonna go, but it's gonna have to work for now. I might end up flipping some things around. Right now it's kind of hitting the monitor a little bit, but I'll show you here what it looks like. So here it is on the wall. So I have that plate mounted there, but you see right here, it's actually hitting my monitor a little bit. I should have put it a little higher, but if I flip this around, the pole will be that much higher up, and that'll raise the camera up a little bit, but I actually don't think that will be too bad. And again, it will keep me from having a tripod here anymore, so I have no tripod anymore. I have no light stands anymore. This is awesome. So now I just have to get everything wired up and wait for my Alexa switches to come in, because that is how I'm going to enable all of my lights in here. So I'm just gonna say, Alexa, turn the studio lights on. Those two lights will turn on. Alexa, turn on the rack lights, and those will turn on. I will do a separate video on that because that requires a little bit of wiring and things like that. I kind of just want this to be like an update on just me getting some things ready. Hello, Madeline. And yeah, so this is great. Now I'm gonna get ready. I'm doing a stream tonight, and I'm gonna be using all of these. I might end up using this for the webcam at least, because I can't get, what's it called thing didn't come in for the computer. The HDMI capture card didn't come in yet, so I'm not going to be able to record off the camera at a higher frame rate. It gets too choppy in the live streams. So either way, I think this is great. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and happy printing. See you guys next time.